we have work for add book and view books. But here, let's say I'm not logged in right now, right? So if I go to the add book here, you can see I can access this. So this is not good, right? We should do validation. I mean, we should check that if the user, I mean, if there is any session, and we will check that if any session, then we will check that, okay, is there the user is admin or normal user. Okay, you can see we have start session, but actually I will check that if is set $_ session, and the session variable is, let's say, user ID. If I go to the login, we can see we have set session here user ID, right? So I will check if the session is set user ID, I mean user ID is set or not. If set, then it will actually enter here. So I will say if is set user ID, then we will actually check one more thing, that if $session variable there is role in the login.php. Here you can see we have role for the admin and for the uh, for other user, normal user. So I will say that this role is admin or not. So I will check here if the session role, if session role is equal to admin, then actually you can do it. Okay, you can do this code. So let me just paste it here, and we will actually give here else, and we will say that if it's not admin, then actually we will redirect to the uh, user dashboard. So I will say here the header, and actually I want to say here location, and here I will say that, okay, uh, dot, because now I am in the admin, so I have to go to the root file, then slash, and then the file name is actually dashboard.php. That's it. Because you are logged in as user, right? But we have to check you are admin or not. If you are admin, then you can actually add books. Otherwise, you will actually redirect to the dashboard.php. I mean, for this common dashboard. So this is done. Now actually we'll check if it is working perfectly or not. So that's it. Now, okay, so I will say here SQL. Okay, and that's it. Now actually I will check it. So let's go here, and now if I want to come here, still I can come. Why? Okay, so actually I have set it for the view books. So let me just go to the view books, and let's check I can access view books or not. Here you can see we have syntax error in the 16 line. So let's go to the line 16, and here we have header. Okay, so fucking asshole problem. So usually happen to me, so no problem. And now let's check. Refresh. Okay, so still problem. Still so many problem. Okay. So this is the problem here. So I will say here else. I will check here first that if there is any session or not. If not, then we will say that, okay, bro, just go and go for the login. So I will say location dot slash slash dot slash to go to the root file, and I just want to go redirect to the login.php, and that's it. Now I hope it will work. So let's go view books, right? So here you can see they are actually giving uh, you know cannot actually access this, right? Because they're not logged in. Okay, so now actually it's authentic. So now we will actually copy it. Copy the process, same process for the add books also. So here we will check that. Let me just copy it from the view book. I will check it, copy, and actually I want to say it if is set $session user ID. Then if role admin, then actually he can he can do it. So we'll actually copy it. I want to tab it, press tab. Okay, one more tab. So now we have this if condition here, and I need to close this. So I will go through here and I want to close it 2 times. Okay, and we want to add one more else condition here, and I will say here, uh, please bro, if you are not logging, please go for the login. So I will say location dot slash login dot php. Let's go, and let's say I want to go for the ad book. Okay, syntax error. Why? Number 28 lines. So let's go here and check. We have else every single time. Okay, okay, okay. So if I go here and what is the problem? Okay, let me just go here and add book. It's taking too much time. No connection be made because the target machine active refused. Why? Bro. So this is the problem actually. We have stopped it. So let's start it once again. I don't know why it stopped. Um, it stopped itself actually. So it's running now. I can actually go here, and if I go to the ad book, now you can see nobody actually can access this without login. See, so we have done validation for all of this. So thanks for watching. So in our next video, we will show you how you can actually manage users. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.